Hi, it's somePlugin. Here's a clip. Here's the beat. This is made using the beta software called tRemap. There is obviously some editing and some heavy DSP processing applied to the sounds. What basically the plugin is doing is detecting the transients of a clip and remapping them with a time function. There are 3 modes for the functions, 2 of them are fixed, and there's a mode for drawing your own. The original aim was to make easier to do exponential rhythms without mousing the transients around in the clip view. So basically, if you have something that goes like, it becomes something like. Let's hear some examples in the session. Here I'm grabbing the clip and clicking on the Q button to hear the remapped version of the sample. There's a menu to choose the mode, acceleration, deceleration, and drawing. Draw mode. It's very extreme and glitchy. Once you have something, you can go on and resample everything you need, and then start editing those things in the classical Ableton style. Let's try and add this little piece to the main track. I made a secondary version using the tRemap again on the resampled clip. Here I'm working with the Complex Pro mode to have the sound that I like 1 octave down. Here there's some space. Let's make some room for this sample. Here's another interesting sound. But it's too recognizable. Let's put something to make it sound like a percussion. So that's all. If you want to donate, check the link in the description.